northeast, come northeast. Bigyan na book northeast. Stabilize, dodge the barrel, man. Please. Huwag kayong bulag. It's basic PBE, man. Dodge the barrel.
Nag-OC na, nag-OC.
Ilan ba sila? OC na.
Level 1 DA.
OC na. We gotta go northeast, ah. Just smash this first.
Engage, check. Pick.
Fake yan.
Yep,
Defense. We're gonna go northeast, ah. We're gonna
May
bomb
taga-GA sila
northeast.
sa south ha. May taga-GA sa south.
Okay lang. Defense. Don't die. Okay. They're clap. Yes, my friend. OC food check, ah. 30%. If you don't have defensive, don't go front. Tatlo, bugolim nila.
Dalawa.
Come northeast. Kill this guard. Come northeast. Come out. Go out. Don't wait for anything. I already call you. Go out, man. You guys fucking deaf or what? Babalik-balik na naman kayo eh. Magdesisyong agad kayo. Spread northeast. It's looking.
Pick.
Defense front. Don't die. 40%. Titangs, I need you to hold, ah. Titangs, I need you to hold the DPS at the back. Hold the DPS at the back. Just hold. Clear the guards first. Establish the guard. They're gonna engage. Spread north. They're looking, ah. They're looking. Kill the guards first. Don't let them run. Come southeast. Push now. Push southeast. Southeast 5, southeast 4, 3, 2, 1. On clap. Big clap on me. That's it. Spread east, bro. Spread. Don't dodge the barrel. Come southwest. Come inside, bro. Spread. Dodge the barrel, man. Spread. Defense ready. Roll them at the back. Oh, they're dying at the back. Keep roll. West 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guy. Kill him.
Color dead.
Color dead. Kill the mobs. Kill these guys inside us. Then stabilize. Don't loot. Kill the mobs. Kill the mobs. Heal. Take kills. Get this big hills. Take the big hills, man. Take the big hills. Come east now. Kill the mobs. Dodge the fucking barrels for how many times do I have to tell you? Come northeast.
Sense, man.
Are you guys fucking blind or what? That's fucking PBE, man. The castle's not doing for... My god. It's just fucking barrels, boys. Just dodge. Isang skill lang yan eh. Ano bang ginagawa nyo? Every time.
Mana, guys.
Yes.
Alita, may bag ka?
Damage on the barrels. Fucking simple skill eh. Hindi naman to ABA raid. Hindi naman to ABA shit na may dami skill nung ano. Just dodge.
Tigil.
Guys, wala bang mana?
And dodge.
Saan chariot namatay?
Saan chariot?
Oo, matay.
Resetting.
Nag-reset.
Sabihin mo pag mag-reset kasi Disty ah.
Sinabi ko kaya, dismounted ako.
Awit ka.
Yung pala yung boss putang.
Reset ka mo, battle mode. Reset battle mode. Hindi ko alam yung dismounted ka, malay ko ba?
Na-dismount na. 30 seconds pa kasi yan eh, kaya di pa ako makareset pa.
Dami mong dahilan si Listy.
Ano? Para naman kayong di nakaranas ma-dismount.
Uy,
Joke lang.
yan, Nabi.
Simplo, nadampot ko, ang bigat.